good, boys? We've been hiding in the rain, or from the rain, for a second because it was bad. Like, I was parked over there and I was in a fucking swamp, boys. Holy. Ah, fuck. I just got hit in the eye with a raindrop. Directly in the retinas. Let's see if we can try not to die. I can't see shit with this visor on. It's not tinted, but it's definitely not clear. It's like chrome-ish type, but it don't look bad. Damn! Beautiful. Whataburger is still packed. How can you? That's insane. I can't see it. Filthy. The filthy R1. What was that noise? I got the visor up right now. We'll put a little rain in our eyes, it'll be alright. Hello. What are you doing, sir? Bum, 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 bum. This is gonna be rough. Still ain't warmed up yet. I can feel it. Come on, bro, turn. This is it's a rolling stop sign. Oh, my eyes. Oh. Should probably put it down. What are you doing? Silly goose. Like he was gonna try to murder me. Quick pit stop. We are back on the road. And we got a green light. I can't see. I cannot see. There we go. This is gonna suck. I'm not gonna be able to see anything. Oh shit. And this tire is like brand new. I rode on it a little bit yesterday and kinda tried to break it in, I think. I probably didn't do much. I barely rode. But it'd be alright. Can get in here. Oh yeah, easy. It's windy and cold. And wet. I forgot about wet. Hey, you got no license plate. It's illegal, boys. She's a little wiggly, boy. I'm staying right beside this line, we're good. I can see the road. Woo! Oh shit, boy! Woo! We're gonna beat the rain! Oh fuck! Shit! Hope y'all boys can see. I'm trying to keep the rain off you. It ain't. I don't even think it's that bad no more. It looks alright. Ooh, bridge. Slippery. What is this? Oh, what up, man? Oh man, we're cruising now. That dude's got some bright lights. Holy. smoke. I couldn't see shit. I don't like that guy's headlights. Those are a little too bright for me. Can't lie to you, boys. Oh man. Get something to drink. All right. Package secured. This might be a controversial take, what I'm about to show y'all right now. But I don't want to hear nothing, all right? I don't want to hear shit from y'all. Dang it. Hold on. Yes. Stocked up. Put them in the inventory. There we go. Oh, come on. Get. Yes. There we go. This is a Master Prestige loadout right here, boys. Yeah, I had fun. That was super fun. And it was all under the speed limit too, because that's all we do around here. Oh my lord. She was angry. Corner, lane angle. Yeah. What's in the road? Don't know. Gotta go. Wet paint. Woo! Yeah, boy! Oh shit. Yeah, look at that. Who are you? Oh, Jesus! My eyes! What the fuck? I just got flashbang! Holy shit! Alright boys, that was it. I'll see y'all. Be safe.